Matada PMP Certified Project Manager. Just a quick one. Now that they've touched base a lot of finances, someone may ask, is doing finance basis really helpful for me as a project manager or operations manager? Well, as you move to the statistical rules, you might need that. The reason being that accounting finance people, they hate explaining their terms into a normal language. So they rather stick to their jargons and tell you all about the sunk cost, tell you about inventory ratios, tell you all about your assets turnover ratios, and not explain what it means. So whether you want to question them to explain, use your search engines while you're in their meetings, or you rather go for it and just get the basics, I don't know, or you can watch some YouTube channels for finance basis. It's up to you. Finance guys, am I right or wrong? Comment, like and repost.